My name is Colin Hopcroft. I'm a charge nurse working in orthopaedics in the Hywel Dda health board. I've been a nurse for 23 years now. Did my training in the West Midlands and moved down here shortly afterwards. Originally I'm actually from West London, but my parents moved here when I was 17 years old, so I settled down and been here ever since. Majority of my career has been here in between Carmarthen and Letley hospitals. Oh, that's a great organisation. It's nice, it's open, honest. Everyone within the senior ranks is always approachable. We've got a diverse culture of sort of like urban areas, and then you've got the countryside of Ceredigion, Northern Carmarthenshire, and obviously the lovely coastline of Pembrokeshire. I come to work and within 10 minutes I can be on a beach, I can be 20 minutes up towards a mountain, trekking, lovely countryside. Within my spare time I'm a keen local sportsman. My primary sport is golf at present, but I also enjoy following local rugby, regional rugby. Try to play cricket occasionally in the summer, but I'm starting to get a bit old for that. Don't be put off, it's not as female dominated as they make out. There's a lot of males out there doing their sin. You come into work each day and you see other people smiling, which is always nice. You're not coming in to hear people constantly complaining every day, which can happen when things get down. So, there's plenty of career progression here. It's just like anywhere else, you just have to work for it. Hard work pays off.